Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving control of the domain, get into the DNS or hosting control panel now and be ready to add records. Once done, decide which certificate fits, single name versus wildcard or SAN, and note renewal cadence. Many free options use 90-day cycles. Generate a CSR if your host requires it, or install Certbot on your server to request a certificate automatically. Make sure to record account keys and email contact. These are required for issuance and recovery. Now validate ownership through Acme challenges or manual methods. Choose DNS-TXT for wildcard certificates or HTTP file for single names and follow instructions precisely. Once the CA issues the cert, download the certificate, the CA chain, and ensure the private key stays private. Back it up securely. Next, configure your web server, update the vhost or binding to use the cert and chain files and the private key. Enable HTTPS, and consider enabling HSDF. Finish by automating renewal. Set up Certbot renewal cron or activate hosting auto-renew so certificates never lapse. Test the renewal process now to confirm automation works. Then validate your live TLS configuration with a scanner or local tool. Check the certificate chain, hostname match, and expiry date. If things go wrong, focus on 3 fixes. Wait for DNS propagation when using TXT records. Ensure the private key matches the certificate. And correct chain order if browsers report incomplete chain. Those steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.